This is Lee Chaeyeon. Oh my god, do you hear the dogs barking? Sorry. This is called No Tears on the Dance Floor. I heard, well, I don't know. I don't remember. I remember her dancing with B or Rain, like in a social media thing, or social, when they dance together, like they do a social media post. Lee Chaeyeon, love her work. I'm rooting for her, but let's check it out in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, she crying? To those who say bless you. Thank you. That stare down was crazy. Oh, that person's head was a bouquet of flowers? Ooh, oh, I like that effect. Okay. Set you free. She feeling nice. Ooh. Let me cry. I like the funky rhythm of this. Ooh, the body roll on the subway. Is this an actual running subway that they're filming at? Ooh. That same person. She looks so good. Ooh. Let me cry. Ooh. On the dance floor. Ooh. She really killing it in the dance. So is the dancers too. Shout out to them. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, the whole. Ooh, the body roll. On the dance floor. Oh. Can they breathe wearing that? Oh. The whole little pointing to each body while it reacts. That disco flair though. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, she killing it. And she stopped dancing. She's crying. But there weren't any tears while she was dancing on the dance floor. That's the difference. Nah, that was crazy. That was dope. Oh, she be alright. No tears on the dance floor. Lee Chaeyeon. Be sure to leave your comments, what your thoughts on this music video and song. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Billlie ZAP MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Damn. This is the beginning. Is that the intro to Mystic Story? Oh. Oh, they are serving. I'm ready. I'm out. Who's messing with my light? You saw my light turn off? What the fuck? On a zap? Ooh. Let's go, bias. That's my bias right there. Oh. Man, she hit that chair like it was nothing. Fierce. Ooh. The whole damn gimmick. Oh, they came here not to play. Oh, 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 oh. They got the whole little... What the fuck? Is that a... Oh. Wait, this is like a performance video too. The dance? Oh. What lie did they tell? Okay. Ooh. Okay, Nails. Oh, whoa. Oh, this shit would go hard live too. I like the outfits too. The whole sand, dancing in sand is crazy too. I like that. Is it pink or red?
Can you feel it?
I feel it now. That's for sure. The whole building feels it. It zapped my freaking lights, I think. My lights zapped. They know it's zapping season. I'm going to play this hard when I see a mosquito. Bro, there's been mosquitoes. I'm going to play this song, Zapping Mosquitoes too. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Billlie ZAP. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy, Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.